Push-ups are simple, powerful, and effective, but only if you do them right. As we move through this 1-minute push-up set, notice the focus, controlled speed, tight core, and full range of motion. One of the biggest mistakes people make, letting their hips sag or flaring their elbows. That usually comes from fatigue or inexperience, but don't worry, that's part of the journey. To overcome it, slow down, reset your form, and build up gradually. Your body gets stronger through consistency, not shortcuts. Keep your body in a straight line from head to heels. Engage your core, keep elbows at a 45-degree angle, and lower your chest, not just your head. Even with speed push-ups, we focused on time under tension. Control is key. We're not just chasing reps, we're chasing results. Proper form builds strength. Sloppy form builds pain. Your body is a temple. Train it with purpose and honor God with every rep. Like, comment, and subscribe for more faith-fueled fitness content. And drop a prayer emoji if you're pushing through with purpose today.